Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a certificate in Microsoft Word. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's jump to the tutorial. Well, the first step is to go to File, New, and here in the search bar, you will search for Certificate. And here you will have a great variety of certificate templates. You will have to see which one is the most suitable for the situation. That is, if you want something more formal or something more versatile. Well, simply choose the one you like the most, and here, click on Create. Then, here you can customize the text to your liking. Just double-click and you can write whatever you want. The same here with things like the date. Once you're done, click on File, Export, change file type. And here you have several types of formats, but the one I recommend is PDF. To export in PDF, we will have to go to Save as another file type. Here you choose the save path. And in Save as type, choose PDF. And that's it. Leave me a like, I appreciate it too much. Thanks for watching.